Hello, this is Lorna, and I'm back with another dueling's video. It's past midnight, guys, so this box came up again. Okay, well, now that I've exited that menu, I work together with other. Okay, whatever. You know, I kind of wish these boxes would not just show up immediately when you log on. That's kind of annoying, but okay, sure. It's like you just get assaulted by those boxes. It's ridiculous. Wait, hold on a second. I'm still leveling up Scud. I kind of want to take a break, but I can't. I know, again, it seems kind of stupid to level up someone I don't like, but... Gyms, guys, gyms! Yeah, I'm going with that as my reason. That isn't the... whatever. Anyway, it's past 3 in my time zone. I apparently cannot read. Hold on. I actually can read, by the way. I just sometimes mess up. Kind of ridiculous, if you ask me. I think I'm behind in event points again. Or maybe not. I don't know. Actually, maybe I don't understand anything anymore. Yes, let's just go with that. I don't understand a damn thing. Yes, that sounds accurate. Quite accurate, honestly. I don't know anything anymore. My sanity is just... it's evaporating. It's worse than clouds just leaving the... okay, that doesn't make any sense. Anyway, I don't really... You know, if you're going to destroy his ass, you better do it now, because I don't have... Okay. Well, Scud lost, apparently. His rare moments of losing! I mean, I did give him a real deck, but I still hate his guts. I hate his guts. When 5Ds was initially airing in, you know, the early episodes, I hated Trudge too at first. I got past it, obviously, but it took a while. I mean, seriously. He was an ass at the start of the series. But, I mean, makes sense, considering he's apparently the same Trudge that bullied Yugi. I still don't quite understand that. The same one, really. Okay, well, apparently that's established information. I don't quite understand, but okay, sure. I can't really duel as... I cannot duel as Scud without losing brain cells. Although, I may be losing brain cells for other reasons. Like my own stupidity, for example. You know, those reasons. Anyway. I will obviously be getting to the end event in a bit, but I cannot get there until I've dueled the legendary duelists again. And this time I will be doing all worlds. So that includes Dark Side Dimensions World and Arc 5 World. And if you're wondering why I didn't go to Arc 5 World, well, besides the length and all that of the last video, it's because I don't have anyone I can level up in Arc 5 World. So it's kind of weird to do a legendary duelist in a world where every duelist is maxed out. Though if you ask me, maxing out everyone is probably never going to happen for me. And now I might max everyone out for a while, but you know, the game would have to survive for years the game would have to have years worth of an additional lifespan before I could max out anyone. Yeah, if I wanted to max out every character at level 45, the game would need a much longer lifespan than players think, apparently. And as optimistic as I'd like to be, well, mobile games have a certain lifespan, and dueling, well, it's past the usual, I would say, but it will eventually end. We really do not know when, but I guess whenever it starts being profitable enough, it'll just stop. It'll just stop being operational, and Konami will shut it down. It will be unfortunate for me, considering I like playing this game. I am a casual. Honestly, I can play the main game, but I would get my ass kicked. And that's why I haven't been playing Master Duel. That, and well, I've got other petty reasons for not doing it. Okay, well, I've lost. Not something I'm ashamed of here, considering how I'm playing as. I get my ass kicked by harpies a lot. And now, a lot of players are probably looking at these, well, okay, listen. I know that my videos don't get many views, but if they were getting more views, people would be asking why the hell I keep losing against the same decks, instead of just trying to get better and counter those combos. Well, it basically boils down to, well, a good point. I don't know either. I cannot answer your question. I mean, eventually I'll probably try, but that's going to take a long time. And the game will have to last that long. Will it last that long? That remains to be seen. I'm planning around 2-3 videos tonight. 2 to 3 videos, yeah. You know, I thought the fire alarm was going off recently because I thought the battery needed to be replaced. But when I got up to prepare for this video, I didn't hear any beeping noises. What the hell was the beeping from then? Where did it come from? And I'm surprised that I didn't hear any beeping. However, I am glad that I didn't hear any beeping, because the beeping was annoying. Alright. I know I hate Scud, but he cannot level up if he loses every duel. Just saying. I'm acknowledging it. However, I will allow him to lose more. You know what? I wish he lost against Kaiba instead. Now he's probably going to win. Okay, Joe's out again. Alright, okay. Well, Kaiba might be level 10 as well, so we'll see. Honestly, I just want him to lose against Kaiba, and then I'm going to ask Kaiba, why did you let this guy into this game? And then everyone else is going to be like, Konami let him in this game, not Kaiba, and I'll just be like, dude, my imagination is an important, valuable part of my existence. How the hell can I write fiction without it? I cannot. Though I am creatively blocked, I am still experiencing a creative block. But apart from, honestly, I'm just curious why some cards aren't even still in this. Okay, sure. You know, imagine losing against a bunch of standard duelists and then winning against the legendary duelists. Scud just had some bad luck over here, but I don't really care. I don't care, but I cannot be bothered to actually play as Scud. So, auto duel with this guy every single time that I'm playing. You know, there will inevitably be a time when I have to play as him to do something. Yes, show him that he is not on your level. However, I did give him a legitimate deck. Because obviously, someone can't level up without a legitimate deck. Seriously. You know, I don't have to level him up at all, really. I could just use him whenever the game forces me to. But I'm not really. I don't care. I want the gems. Always. It's always about the gems, guys. Always about the gems. May make no sense, but I play this game so often, I hope that I do eventually max out every duelist's level. I do not expect this to actually happen, considering my pace so far, but we'll see. Yeah, considering my pace so far, the game would be... how old by the time I can get every duelist to level 45? Yeah, not happening. Not even if I restrict myself to DM World, GX World, and 5 Days World. Even then, no, not happening. However, I am insane, so who knows? Who knows? What's at the card trader this time? I want to look and see what he has. Okay. I have one of these? Alright. Uh-huh. I am never using cubics again. I really do not want to use them again. Is this game going to make me use it again? I think this game probably will at some point. This game is evil! Okay, no it isn't. Well, it does depend on who you ask, but whatever. It depends on who you ask. I'm sure a lot of people are curious what the hell that means. Well, I'm not going to say anything on that one. I'm just saying there are people out there that would consider this game to be evil. Just say no actual word on who the hell I'm talking about. Okay. Anyway, those same people would probably think that I'm evil, if we're being honest here. Okay, Rex. Yes. Oh, shut up. Please. Okay. I'm going to destroy him. I'm going to destroy him. You know, it really does not feel... I don't know how I feel saying that. It feels better when I'm, It feels better when I'm roasting Hasselberry because, well... He's kind of the kind of person that would be able to kick my ass. Rex, on the other hand, I don't know. He's young enough that maybe I would win. But Hasselberry, no, there is no contest. He would destroy me in an instant. So I feel safe roasting him. Yeah, even though he could kick my ass. I mean, it's true, so let's not just... I'm not deluded. Although I am saying he kicked my ass, you know, in an actual fight, not in a duel. Though he gets lucky in duels sometimes. Sometimes. I mean, let's not forget my main deck over here. Can't imagine anyone can forget with the card I just used. I attack! Okay. I wonder who else. Have I seen the other one? There's a double duelist campaign going on and I want to milk it. I want to milk it! You know, there really isn't much to know, if we're being honest here. I didn't really see that there was a campaign going on until I scrolled down. I don't know why it took me that long to actually notice, but I was kind of hoping that I was just getting, I don't know. I do not know anymore. That is my response. I guess I just wish that more duelists would be away from the gate. Like, they usually cap it at 1 legendary duelist. I kind of wish they'd add more duelists. But there's no point in adding more legendary duelists because you can just duel them at the gate. Which obviously is why they probably limit it to just 1 duelist usually. If there's one thing you can't stand, it's losing. Well, wait a minute. Oh, great. You know, I can't remember the first duel Rex lost. I can't remember who won in, like, was it episode 1 or episode 2? I think it was episode 2. Like, he was dueling Weevil, and I can't remember the person that won. I think it was Rex. Yeah, I have no idea. Dude, seriously. You're only going to win if I brick. Am I bricking? No. I'm good. You're going to lose. Unfortunately, AI Kaiba is the only Kaiba I can win against in most cases. When I do get lucky, it's usually it's 1 in 10 Kaibas, maybe. 1 in 10 Kaibas. And that's how many Kaiba players I see whenever I try the rank duel. I see so many of them. They're everywhere. Yami Yugi is also everywhere. It's kind of ridiculous. But at least, you know, I can understand why people keep playing as Kaiba over and over. But that doesn't make it any less annoying. Although, unfortunately, I will eventually have to join that group because I don't think Kaiba has all. I draw. Alright, this game is over, Kaiba. Dude, was he level 10? Maybe, I don't know. Well, that wasn't much of a fight. Kaiba, you need to work on, I don't know. Why do I want to get my ass kicked? If I want Kaiba to kick my ass, I can just go into a ranked duel. Seriously. It doesn't take much effort if I'm going to risk whatever. Okay. You know, he's actually insulting me. I didn't actually realize that. He's saying I won because I got lucky. That's it. Kaiba, you're really just very salty, aren't you? Very, very salty. Hold on. Oh, wait. Okay, I forgot that I dueled Rex. Alright. Dude, it is not fun to keep coming here and dueling myself, man. Of course, there really aren't many options for Legendary Duelist in our 5 world. There really are not many options. The options will increase though. It gradually, over time. Okay, well, so far I can't summon anything. Okay. Well, I'm glad that I was able to. I'm glad that I summoned something. But dear Lord. Okay, well, that's interesting, I guess. So who's the other one? Is it Yuzu? I'm still not calling her Zuzu. I only said that, you know, just because. And that's her name in the dub, but I'm going to keep calling her Yuzu. And no offense to anyone whose name is Zuzu, by the way. Interesting. Yeah, there's really not much variety. Okay, I'm gonna have to do the other worlds in the next video. And Zuck's world will be last because there's currently an event going on there. Okay. Wow. Okay, well, I don't have much to say here. I don't. I mean, really, there isn't a lot I can say. I mean, it's just... It was a quick victory, apparently. There was a good amount of things going on, I just didn't have much to say. I'm not very entertained by what Yuya does. I almost called Yuya by a different name. I'm kind of surprised by the one I almost said. I'm just like, wow. Oh my god. Perform 10 synchro summons. I don't think that's going to be... Wait, I've already summoned 5? Okay, well that's interesting. Okay, well I'm going to 5D's world next anyway. So guys, that's going to wrap things up for this video. It's not one of my best, but I will try to make the next video more entertaining. And by discussing my perfectionist tendencies. So give me a minute. I'm gonna start another video.